Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Here we are at our regular Sunday afternoon haunt. Seems to become our frequent go-to club now at Manor, which is about 45 minutes from our house, so it's not too bad at all. The plan was originally to do Friday nights at Newark on the touring cars, and then do buggies on the Sunday on the alternate weeks. So it was a bit of both, but the lad seems to prefer the buggies, so yeah, we've been going there a lot more than expected. On this afternoon, I came straight from Buggy Blitz, where the grip was a lot lower. Round one, there's no practice, so straight into it in round one. The car wasn't that good. It was lacking in a lot of departments, having been set up for the lower grip previously. It wasn't very good at all. So yeah, round one was a bit of a throwaway round. 2 and 3 weren't too bad, but I was still lacking a little bit in departments. I think I came like 7th and 8th in round. So yeah, not exactly great qualifying. I decided to... what was I going to do? I did something with the differential. Maybe I think I changed the differential from the 4-gear 30k oil to the 2-gear 100k oil, and then foolishly put a screw that was too long into the top, which went straight down into the idler gear and locked the transmission. So round 4 was non-existent. So yeah, there's my list of excuses why I didn't make the A final. So I lined up second in the B. But it turned out that the 100k shock oil in the 2 gears was absolutely perfect, and loads better than the 4k, and yeah, here's the results of what happened in the B final. But yeah, couldn't fault the car in the final. It could still do with a little bit more steering. It always needs more steering, but yeah, got on really well. Seemed like a lot of other people in my race were a bit angry with the marshals and the speed of their car recovery, but like they say, at the end of the day, it's you that's crashed, so don't get shouting at the marshals. So yeah, here's my B final.
Marshall in the middle.
No complaint about marshals, guys. At the end of the day, you're the one making the mistakes, not them.
Difficult racing, JB truck champion, national Marshall. You didn't see me, Silver.